Greetings. I am Hair Extraordinaire Makeba Evans, the owner of Inheritance Hair Studio. If you are ever in Atlanta, Georgia, and want a new cut, a color, silk press, relaxer, hair extensions, or just a new style, look me up. Today's video is titled Chop It Off. My client found herself depending too much on her top bun. She came in and wanted a new, fabulous look for her natural hair. Her original consultation, she wanted something a little shorter, but I talked her into this look because I didn't feel that her hair was as damaged as she thought it was. It just needed a little TLC, and that is what I gave her. I removed a lot of the weight from the bottom of her hair. Continuing to work my way through her hair, removing more of the weight and creating her cut. Very rarely will my client wear her hair straight. She keeps the heat off of it to maintain her curly texture. With my 24 years plus experience as a professional hairstylist, I find it to be advantageous to shampoo, condition, blow dry the hair straight, and then make the cut. Pulling her hair up to a 90-degree angle when I make my cut is going to create layers and add volume, body, and movement to any style. I continue to work my way through the head to make sure that I am creating those layers. Voila! This is her cut full circle. After the cut has been completed with her hair texture, head shape, and desired style in mind, she is taken back to the shampoo bowl and re-wet. Some juices and berries are applied to her hair to enhance her curls, and yes, she looks fabulous. Make sure you subscribe, share, like, all of those fabulous things to let me know that you enjoyed what I have presented to you today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them and I will answer. Thank you again for watching Chop It Off. You can find all of my social media links below. See you in the hot seat.